that men want you to know but will never say to you. My name is Omotilewa Odeyemi, and today we'll be talking about the things that men want you to know as a woman but they would never say it to you. The first thing is interest. Your man wants you to be interested in the things he is interested in, but because they don't want to feel like they are boxing you up, so they just let you be. They want you to be interested. Let's say they have a favorite TV show, game show, maybe they love football, their favorite sports, their favorite outing. They want you to be in their life. They want you to know about it. If they love fashion, they want you to have an idea. If they love, there are certain things that they have interest in that a man wants you to know, but they will never tell you that they want you to be. That is how, see, most men, they are like that. They really don't talk. They really don't say much, but they just want you to know this. So try as much as possible to know the interest of your man. Whatever your man is interested in, it's his favorite sports, please support him, cheer him up, go together, get the jersey, wear it together, go to sports center together. If he loves playing golf, please go and get everything, get the outfit. Even when you're not playing, stay with him, encourage him while he's doing that, cheer him up. You can also tell him to teach you. He will definitely teach you. So these are some of the things that men love. They love their women to be interested in things that they love. So if your man is a TV kind of a person, try to watch it with him. Don't say, oh man, I don't feel like watching what you're watching, it's irritating to me, so therefore you either leave the place for him. No, that is not very good. So the best thing is, whatever your man loves, please love with him. It helps bond. It builds bond between the both of you. If you're married, women, please initiate sex. Don't let the man be the one to always initiate the sex. Men want it too, for you to come and initiate sex with them. Now, I know naturally, most of the time, let me say 80% of the time, men are the ones initiating sex. But this time, be the one that initiates the sex. At work, send him messages. Let him be longing for him to come home to you. These are some of the things that men really want you to do, but they will not say it to you. So they really want, not that you want the thing, and instead of you saying it, you just start beating around the bush, or you make trouble, or you do some of those things. But sometimes go to him too. Take yourself to him. Go and initiate the sex. Men love it. Men love it when you initiate sex. Men want to be praised and appreciated. You see, most men, they love appreciation. Like, they want it. They want you to appreciate them. They love it when they do stuff and then little things and you appreciate them. You tell them, oh my God, oh, you did well. I love what you did. Thank you for getting me this thing. Thank you for buying this. Even when it is something they are doing for themselves, tell them thank you for doing it for themselves. Men love appreciation a lot. They love it when you appreciate them. See, sometimes even when they do something for the family or they do something for the home, appreciate. Thank you for buying this. Thank you for doing this. Men love appreciation. They want you to appreciate them for everything they do, but they will never say it. They just keep cool, like, well, it doesn't matter, but really it matters. They really love it. It's what they love. It's what they like to get. Men loves it when you encourage them to adventure. You see that gender, they love adventure, but they will act like they don't like it. Not all of them, actually. Some of them love adventure but act like they don't like it. Now they love to be pushed. Your man can work a whole day, like your man will just put all the energy into working and working, but the actual truth is they want to go for adventure, but they really want a push. Like if he's the type, just create an holiday, 1 or 2 3 days, 1 week. Just tell him, look, you are not working for the next 2 or 3 days, or this weekend there's no work for you, we are going on an adventure. Trust me, your man will like it. He might reject it at first, he might act like he doesn't want it at first. That is a lie. He really does want it, but push him the more so that he will go with you. They love adventure. Book a spa date with your man, book cinema dates, go for dinner dates, for weekends getaway. Your man loves it. Trust me, your man loves it when you do some of those things, but they will not tell you that they want it, especially if it's a man that is laid back, a man that does not really like to go for stuff like that. So the fact that you did not bring it up, he might likely or most likely not even bring it up at all. So you initiate it, initiate the adventure, bring out the adventurous part in them, even though they will fall the bill. Have confidence in your man. Men want it, they love it when their women have confidence in them, when they are sure that, oh, my husband, when my husband is back, everything will be fine. When I speak to him, everything will be fine. When my man is back, when I tell him this, everything will be okay. Men love it when you have confidence in them, when you have this assurance in them that they can do things for you. They love it, but they will never tell you. They will never tell you this, that you should have confidence in them. They just want you to believe in them. They want you to believe in their ability that they could do things. Stop babysitting them. Let them be the man that they truly are. So they love it when you have that confidence in them. Men want you as their woman to be happy. When you are happy as their woman, it makes them happy. So they do everything, they try so much, they try everything in their power, in their capacity to make you happy, to make the family happy, to make the children happy, to make the home happy. So if you are happy, it makes them happy. Genuinely, they want you to be happy, but there's this thing they might not really say it. They want that aura, like, okay, when they are back, they see that, oh, my woman is happy, she's full of joy, she enjoys herself, she has this. And then we women, you know how women can be. When they are happy about certain things, they talk about it. Men really love it when you are happy. It makes them happy, it gives them joy. So when they go to work, they go with that mindset that I am going to make my family happy. So they really want you to be happy, but they won't tell you. Men want you to respect them. Men love respect. Women, respect your man outside, respect him inside, respect him everywhere. Respect your man. Men loves respect. So when you respect them, in turn you get respect. They love to be respected, so give them that respect that they deserve. So these are the few things I'll be sharing with you today. I will share other tips later on, but this few is what I'll be sharing today. I'll be sharing things that your woman wants you to know but will not tell you. Men, please watch out what your woman wants you to know but will not tell you. So men, watch out for this topic. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and please comment and turn on the notification bell. I'll be in the comment section waiting for you. Ciao, see you in my next video. Bye.